گا میں تو قربانی کروں گا، قربانی کروں گا میں تو قربانی کروں گا، اللہ کا بندہ ہوں اسے راضی کروں گا، قربانی کروں گا میں تو قربانی کروں گا، قربانی کروں گا میں تو قربانی کروں گا، ہمیں تو گائے لاؤں گا، میں تو بکرا خریدوں گا،
مجھے دمبا پسند ہے، میں اونٹ نہر کروں گا، توفیق دے مولا، قربانی کروں گا میں تو قربانی کروں گا، قربانی کروں گا میں تو قربانی کروں گا، اللہ کا بندہ ہوں اسے راضی کروں گا، اللہ کا بندہ ہوں اسے راضی کروں گا،
نہ تیرے گوشت کی چاہت نہ تیرے خون کی حاجت،
کروں گا
خدا کو چاہیے تجھ سے تیرا تقویٰ و اطاعت،
کروں گا بدلے میں میری
قربانی کروں گا میں تو قربانی کروں گا، قربانی کروں گا میں تو قربانی کروں گا، اللہ کا بندہ ہوں اسے راضی کروں گا، قربانی کروں گا میں تو قربانی کروں گا، قربانی کروں گا میں تو قربانی کروں گا، ہمیں تو گائے لاؤں گا، میں تو بکرا۔
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. My name is Kainat Bintu Usman. I study in class 3A. Today I will be telling briefly about Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Adha is a Muslim festival. It marks the end of Hajj or pilgrimage to Makkah. It honors the willingness of Prophet Ibrahim a.s. to sacrifice his son Prophet Ismail a.s. as an act of obedience to Allah. We Muslims sacrifice an animal to remind us about the true sacrifice that is required throughout life. We'll begin with the holy day by Eid prayers, followed by sacrifice or qurbani of an animal, visit friends or family, exchange food or gifts. Thank you very much for listening to my speech. I hope we all have a very good holiday of Eid and God bless us.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maria Ahmed and I am from class 3A. Eid al-Adha means the Eid of sacrifice, and it is celebrated every year in Zulhijjah. We Muslims sacrifice an animal on this day and send a part of the meat to the poor people as a donation. We wish the people by saying Eid Mubarak. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Alina Khan. I am from class 3A. I am going to tell you about Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Adha is also known as Bakra Eid. It is a significant festival celebrated by the Muslims all around the world. It is also known as Sacrifice Feast, as it is a day to remember the great sacrifice of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam made for Allah. We will celebrate this Eid on the 10th day of Dhul Hijjah. Eid Mubarak everyone. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum all my teachers. Eid al-Adha is a Muslim day. It is celebrated on 10 Zulhijjah of Islamic month. And all my teachers, Eid Mubarak.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Eid al-Adha is the celebration of sacrifice and marks the end of Hajj. This celebration is to remember Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, who was very obedient to Allah and was ready to sacrifice his son Prophet Ismail alayhi salam. Thank you. Happy Eid Mubarak. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Ihan. Today we will talk about Eid al-Adha. It's a Muslim festival that basically marks the end of Hajj. It is also known as Eid of Sacrifice. It recalls the fate of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam toward Allah. Allah asked Prophet Ibrahim to sacrifice his son for the sake of Allah. Even though he loved his son very much, but his beliefs towards Allah was very strong, so he did not hesitate to take this bold step and agreed to sacrifice his son. The willingness of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam to sacrifice his son for the sake of Allah caused to spare his son's life. Therefore, a lamb is sacrificed in his place. This was the miracle of Allah. Because of this event, we all Muslims celebrate Eid al-Adha every year on 10 Zil-Hajj. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum teacher, my name is Sanya Kamran. मेरी तरफ से आप सबको ईद उल अज़हा मुबारक हो। हम अल्लाह की राह में कुर्बानी करते हैं, उससे हमारे दिल में कुर्बानी का जज्बा पैदा होता है।
My name is Fahad Nosai. I'm from 3A. Eid al-Adha is an Islamic festival falls on 10 of Zul-Hajj. I enjoy this Eid because we wear new clothes and go perform Eid prayer and slaughter animals like sheep, goats or cows to honor the memories of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. In this Eid al-Adha, some Muslims also go and perform Hajj.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Uday Bran and I'm from class 3A. Today I'm going to share my views about Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Adha is a religious festival celebrated by Muslims all over the world. This great day reminds us of sacrifice of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. It is celebrated on 10th of Zil-Hajj of Islamic calendar. Muslims sacrifice their animals like goat, sheep, camel, bull, buffalo in the name of Allah. They want to show that they sacrifice everything for Allah and meat is distributed to neighbors, relatives and helpless people. I wish my friends a very blessed Eid al-Adha. Thank you, teacher.
ईद मुबारक सबको, ईद मुबारक